Well, if you have plans to go to the opera tonight, the question you may have is, should I grab my raincoat or will it be fine enough to leave it home? Rebecca Stevenson is here to answer that question for us, Rebecca.
I think you could probably leave the raincoat at home.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going to be mild too. Temperatures not dipping down too low. We had such a warm day today.
Yeah.
Wow, what a day we had. In fact, we had sunshine out there for a good portion of it. As you can see at Mount Rainier Paradise, still in the blue skies right now. As you look at the parking lot, you see some remnants of snow out there. For Everett at PAINE Field, it was a soggy night for you yesterday, last night. Even into the early morning hours, you were still trying to get rid of the rain, but it lifted north of you, and you've had a gorgeous day today, a warm day too. 0.06 of an inch of rainfall for Everett, and that's after midnight. Most of these areas had the rain lifting up to the north in the early hours of the morning. We even got another 1.33 inches of rainfall for Quileute. But no records broken today, not even when we talk about temperatures, though we have come close in a few spots. 63 degrees at the waterfront, the mountain is out, and the wind currently out of the south, 7 miles an hour. Gusty winds still to the north, anywhere from 25 to 35 miles an hour, and the wind gusts coming from the south for Everett up to Oak Harbor and East Sound. Quileute, 23-mile-per-hour gust, wind out of the south. And here's the temperatures right now. We've dropped from 67 degrees in Seattle to only 63 only. That's still very mild and well above normal for the time of year. We should be closer to 60 degrees, and a lot of spots are sitting in the upper 50s to low 60s across the board. Tonight, we're going to cool down into the upper 40s to around the low 50s. Now, for Seattle, it'll be a little on the milder side, low to mid 50s, and we're going to see temperatures drop in the upper 40s for Olympia and Chehalis. So still a pretty mild night, mostly cloudy. You see all this rain just sitting out here off the coast, raining on the coast, at least down to almost all the way down to Westport, but not quite. As you look at the wide view, what's happening? We've got a big ridge of high pressure that's over the west, and it's strong enough that it's pretty much slowed down, kind of like the shipping services, the canals, everything's slowed down. We've got a big block. Well, this is the weather block that slowed everything down and kept this front sitting offshore for the last couple of days, bringing the breezy winds up to the north. Now, finally, some motion. It's going to start to nudge inland. This ridge starts to weaken, and by eventually tomorrow afternoon, we'll have some areas of rain for inland western Washington. I say inland, I should put it in quotes, because this is not going to be a lot of rain. Watch this. The rain continues on the coast overnight until 5 a.m. At 5 a.m., we start to see a few areas of some light rain around southern Hood Canal. Then we go through the rest of the day waiting for that to move in. 5 o'clock in the afternoon, we still have a little light rain all on the Olympic Peninsula and the Kitsap Peninsula. And when it finally moves in tomorrow night, finally, it kind of falls apart. There's not much left of anything. We really don't get much rain out of this at all. The big winner in rainfall continues to be our north coast and around Whatcom and Skagit County. So tonight, expect increasing clouds. Temperatures cooling in the upper 40s to low 50s, and highs tomorrow, mainly mid 50s to the north with the rain. Upper 50s to low 60s for Seattle and for the South Sound. Temperatures in the mid 50s also on the coast. So areas of rain will stay mainly to the west for much of the day, eventually making their way in the evening. Then Monday, Tuesday, we get dry weather. We get some sunshine. Highs stay upper 50s to low 60s. And then Wednesday, the next round of some rain showers moves in. So it's not overall pouring down rain in any one day here, but do expect to be fairly wet Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.